I'm so excited for this. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully my reflection isn't too distracting, but I can only cover so much in the background with my head. My name is Kerry and I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and today's video is no different. Today I am actually going to be doing a vlog style video, even though this is technically not a vlog, but I'm practicing because the most important vlog month of the year is coming, and that's all I'm gonna intend for you guys. But today's video is actually going to be based off of a recent popular TikTok that I had, and it is my DIY lingerie slash princess girly loungewear closet tour. I did a quick TikTok video in which I was like, this is your sign to make a girly little closet, and I wanted to show you guys the specifics and the details because a lot of you guys were asking, as well as to finish it off with lights, which I picked up today. Before we get into this video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, as well as turn the post notification bell, that way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glamnista08, pretty much everywhere, that way you can stay tuned and see behind the scene looks at all the girly glam and just like the ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're just gonna get right into today's video. Alright y'all, so we're sitting in my main like closet slash filming room right now. This is where I film most 95% of my content. So this is my main closet, which is just a guest bedroom in my apartment that I made super girly. If you guys want a full closet tour, I will link it down below, but like this is just a little overview. I recently got these little boxes from HomeGoods. I have my little Cinderella curtains, my Cinderella dress, me again in pink looking like Pepto-Bees, mom, clothes, etc. So this is like the 360, but I had this closet and it was a mess. It had all of my like light and equipment stuff, and this isn't all of it, but it had this plus a whole bunch of junk there, stuff that I was kind of low-key hoarding that I didn't know where to put after it moved, so I just shoved it in the closet. It was a mess. Now I'm not going to lie, I did kind of cheat a little. The bottom portion of this closet still has these two huge bins and some random stuff in there, so I kind of just wanted to ignore it. I might put something to block off that view, but in the meantime we're just gonna pay attention to this part of the closet. Now if there's anything that I would suggest changing, it's like making the hardware a little bit fancier, putting some wallpaper or painting the walls, but I don't want to worry about that because I'm in an apartment. I'm not going to be here my entire life and I don't want to get rid of my security deposit, so I'm doing the apartment friendly version of a makeover. But I figured I'd give you guys a rundown before I add my lights. Right now I'm using my little ring light here to show you guys because it is really dark in here and I think lights will make it look super cute. So basically I put all of my scarves near this bottom portion here, and then I also just have my belt just chilling here. I only have one belt, yes, I'm not a belt person. So I have these shelves, and these shelves are super inexpensive. I've had them for forever, like in all of my room videos. These are just like shelves that my dad found from Walmart that are like shoe shelves. Super cheap. I think each set is like $20. So I just have two stacked on top of each other, but you can obviously do this all the way down or get like a thrifted shelf to still save money. And so on the bottom I have all of my I&H hair ponies. Easy storage without looking bulky on the outside. And then this shelf is black because it has all of my leggings. I love to wear leggings, they're super comfy, so I have them sorted kind of based off of ones that have like cool textures like ribbing. I have these thermal ones, I think one of them is like glittery, can't even tell if it's black, and then my go-to everyday regular pairs. Here I put all of my bras, and I like to lay them out like this just so that you can sustain the shape, but these are like my everyday basic bras. They're not my like cute and fancy ones, so I just put them on the shelf. And then here is kind of random, I have this bralette because I didn't have a hanger to hang it, so it's just kind of chilling over here, but I have like my wireless, I think this is Victoria's Secret bra. I have this bag that doesn't always want to stand up, but this is my cute little tweed bag, and again there's no lights in here so you can't tell that it's supposed to be sparkly. Scrunchies that I thought were cute, satin, Juicy Couture. I have my Fenty Savage X tights back there just because I wanted them somewhere where I remember. And then I have this thing, which this is my Princess perfume by Vera Wang. This stuff smells absolutely fantastic. I know that we're all princesses here, we all have like extra bougie aesthetics, so obviously get this for the bottle alone. Also, fun fact, These are actually like little rings that you can wear that come from the jewelry bottle. I thought this was genius the first time I discovered this. I used to wear this back in high school, my senior year of high school, so it reminds me of little Kerry. But I got a new bottle, I think for Christmas last year, for my mom, and I love it. So I'm keeping it in here because it's aesthetically pleasing. And then I'm sitting it on top of this old Sephora like palette that is just floral print and just dainty and cute as like decor. So you can always use your makeup stuff as decor. I do that all the time. But I think the important details come when you start to hang things. So I like to use velveteen hangers just because nothing slides, but you can also use like the cute sateen ones, the thicker ones. I want to get some of those like baby doll hangers for this closet and then just use this for my regular clothes. But in the meantime, I'm using this. I have my vintage nightgowns back here, my robe with the little faux fur boa, and then I started to put like long like lingerie piece nighty dresses here just because I didn't want it to conflict with the shelving. So you want to keep that in mind if you do put a shelf in your little closet. You don't want it to be too high because you want to hang like the long stuff and have it be seen. So I have a mixture, and you guys were asking on TikTok where I get my stuff from. Honestly, I don't spend that much money, and I do want to invest in better pieces, but like these two nightgowns are from Amazon. This is Shein. This I think I had gifted from, what was that subscription? Adore Me? I've had this for forever and still haven't worn it. Forever 21 sale section, Forever 21, you know how I shop. And then I started to put like my little corsets and cute bralettes from Fenty, Forever 21, etc. up here. And I didn't actually organize this in any which way. You can color code it, but I think these type of girly closets look better when they're not color coded because it looks more authentic. And then for a little pizzazz, I put my little rhinestone belt, looped it so that it wouldn't fall off, but I just thought that was a cute little detail. And then here I have my Juicy Couture jacket, my new favorite robe from Victoria's Secret, and then this is random, honestly. This is from high school, but I had nowhere else to hang this, so this is actually my actually might be my college graduation. I don't know which one it is because I had the same colors for both. And then this is my prom dress, but it's just kind of chilling, hiding back there. And then up here I did have my Fenty onesie. Right now it's on my chair because I've been wearing it a lot, so I just put my big giant earmuffs here, and then of course bags to kind of decorate and also act as storage. And this is the only real ratchet thing I have left in here other than the tubs, because it's just my iron. So that was my long overview, just to say really you just need to compile the things that make you feel girly, that make you feel cute and sweet, and put them in there. Eventually I do want to get more nightgowns, and I did contemplate putting some of my PJs in there, but I think as of right now I like just having the light lingerie and nightgown type of thing, like stuff that's girly and sweet and cute. But I might put some PJs or change it up for the festivities. Haven't decided yet. Honestly, all you really need to buy is a shelf, maybe some hangers, and then the rest is just the cute stuff you have. A lot of people were saying like, I need money to do this, but I spent $0 until today, and I bought these lights. Now I will say they were kind of pricey, but I'm hoping that they're worth it. So I got these two lights from Target. These are Energizer color changing remote control bars. So I originally was gonna just like DIY ghetto it and put the ones that you got like press, but I decided to try these because then I can set them. I don't have to press anything awkwardly when I go in that closet, and I can just turn on the light. So you're gonna try these out. I'm assuming because they're bars, they have some type of sticky thing to hang them. Oh yeah, they do. So here is what the lights look like. Dang! Okay, it needs, each light needs 6. The lights also come with screws if you want to screw it in, but we're not doing that. But it do need, I need 12 batteries. Let's see if I have that. I don't think I do. Okay y'all, so I only got 6. So I'm only gonna use one of these for now. So like classic electronics, the light is pink, but on camera it shows as blue. I don't know why these lights do that, but for some reason cameras can never pick this up. But she got a white, okay? See the pink? Look, there it is. Okay y'all, so in an ideal world I'd have 2 working lights and I'd be able to put them up here, but right now I only have 1, so testing out to see what lights look like. I just kind of pinned it on the back wall to see what it would look like. And I'm not mad at the amount of light, and I think it'll look a lot better when there's 2 of them. But let's say I want to change up the mode, okay? She can do that. Give it a little blue maybe. Maybe want to play around with some pink. So we have that in the back. But yeah, this is like my ratchet, really disappointing ending to this video because I don't have enough batteries for 2. Gotta move that light because it's looking a little ghetto. Mini update 10 minutes later. I decided to keep the light on the back wall, but I just lowered it and actually adhered it to the wall so that it was aligned with the bras. So that way you don't actually see the light, but you see the light. And I love this. So I think with the second light, I'm either going to put it above or I'm going to put it slightly lower so that it's closer to the shelving unit. So that way you get a little bit more light in the main area, but I like this a lot better. And obviously you don't have to do a pink light. You can do just regular white if you just want a nice amount of light there, but I like this. I also forgot I got this roll of what I thought was going to be very thin applique adhesive, and it ended up being this thick, wide styrofoam. So it's only good in places like closets where you can't really see the detail that much. So I adhered it to this top row here, making sure that it's not too low so I can kind of finesse and slide. But I figured since these are just bras, I can also just slide them off the hangers. But to add like a little bit of a pizzazz, I did cut it a little too short, but how often are people going to see that? Probably never. So here is the finished look of my DIY lingerie closet for now. Again, I can move that later, but if I do any updates, I'll show you guys in my upcoming vlogs. So now this is the official end of my slightly ratchet DIY lingerie girly closet, whatever I titled this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to stay tuned for my content. I usually post regular videos on Wednesdays and then vlogs on Sundays, but I think I might do a little bit of a mixture more and do a little bit more vlogs just because I like them and you guys tend to really like them. And again, I also post content more regularly on TikTok and Instagram. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it somewhat useful. I will be linking things down below though so that you can get some value out of this video, and you can find some cute pieces to add to your DIY closet. And if you decide to do this or even like make over just a section of your closet, feel free to send me pictures on Instagram. I'd love to check them out, follow you guys, and repost them. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.